Well, hello. Finally, some proper snow down in Dorset, where I live, and so I'm going out for a walk. What else do you do in the snow? I mean, some people just sit in by the fire, but no point in doing that when it looks like this. That's what you call proper snow, people. So, I'm going out, and I've just got my camera with the 24 to 85mm lens. Woo! Should have put crampons on. So I've just got the 24 to 85mm lens. Just going to get some pictures of stuff in the snow. Okay, so this is the first shot of the afternoon. Now, bit of a tip for you in the snow or the rain. Just a food freezer bag, an elastic band, and it'll keep your camera safe and dry. It makes reviewing the shots a bit harder, but another tip, don't leave your camera bag open. Gooey Lewis and the news. So, I'm just taking a walk around where I live in Dorset. I was going to try and get up on a place called Egerton Hill, but I don't think there's any chance of that. Even a four-wheel drive wouldn't get up that hill, which is a shame because I bet it looks absolutely beautiful up there. We'll do another video from up there one day, but we won't get up there today, I don't think. So we're just having a walk. I'm going to go for quite a long walk, so we'll get a nice range of shots just to see what we can do. One thing you might want to do when you're actually out there taking pictures in the snow is play around with the exposure compensation. You know, the little button on your camera that you didn't know what it was before, it just had a little plus and a little minus sign. It looked like plus divided by minus. Well, that's exposure compensation, and that just adjusts what your camera thinks is the right exposure. Just a tweak here and there. You can do it by a third of a stop on most cameras, and you can just play around with it to get the right exposure for the snow, because otherwise snow has a tendency of either blocking out and going really dark, or blocking out and going really dark, or just bleeding out and going really light. So just play around with the picture that you've got in mind and just use the exposure compensation just to tweak it, just so the snow's not burnt out. You can always bring it up lightness in post-production in Photoshop or Lightroom or whatever you use. Today's snowy shenanigans are brought to you by the makers of Sprayway, Craghoppers and Mountain Warehouse. If it wasn't for Mountain Warehouse, I wouldn't be out here now, because I've got new gloves, I've got a new base layer, a new fleece. I think my hat's from there as well. That's a bit older. I've got my Sprayway jacket on and my Craghoppers thermal trouser things, which are awesome in the snow, and I bought them all. So don't worry about, oh, car coming. See, only come out here on a 4-wheel drive. You go nuts then. So, where was I? Oh yeah. Now, you see up there, you might just be able to see in the distance there's a hill. That's where I'm going. We're going to go and walk up there and try and get some pictures from the top looking down. Might work, might not, but we're going to go give it a go. I like walking in pristine snow. You just can't beat it. You'd think if I flip this round that we're getting near the top. Full summit. I'm getting a good cover in the snow myself. And as you can see behind me, it's all quite lived in. Oh, hang on. We might have a little opening here. See what we can see through here. Oh, down there is a waterworks, the sewage works. We don't really want a picture of the sewage works, do we? No, not at all. You know what they say? Never eat yellow snow. There's a reason for that. Still going up. See? As they say, onwards and upwards. I don't know why they say that, because going uphill is bloody hard. Anyway, I'm still going up, still looking for my lone tree, and still looking for a decent view, but I'm still not convinced I'm going to get one. And if you were hoping this video was going to have this spectacular sunset with this beautiful snow-covered scene, we ain't going to get a sun. Well, there will be a sunset. It'll just be behind all them clouds up there, so it's just going to go dark. Okay, that forest or woody bit that I just walked next to, I think it's been shielding me from the wind, because when I get past here, when I get past this hedge here, I think all hell's going to break loose. Oh, might be a lone tree. No, I can feel it building up. You ready? Oh, now that is a bit windy. I hope you can hear me, and I hope you can, well, you'll be able to see me, but I hope you can hear me as well. It's a bit rough up here. Oh, look at my hat. So, yes, that woody bit was sheltering me, and now I'm up on the top of the drift. It's a little bit wild. I did just see a 4x4 going past, but they sort of just waved and looked at me as though I was a bit mad. I think I might be. I'm not sure. I've got to go with this blizzard. Now this really is a blizzard. I'll show you. That is a blizzard. As is that. Still no lone trees though. Can't do that holding the camera in, but I'm in an absolute covered. So, hanging on toes, turn my eyes, and I'm beginning to look like something else. Yeah, that's quite strong, I think. Just gonna really bury myself in here. I don't know if it's out here, but I think it's worth it, I'd say. quite a while. I still haven't found a lone tree. And now I sound like I'm Darth Vader. But I should be heading down in a minute. This is right on top of the tree. I don't even know what these hills are called. I'll find out what these hills are called. I'll find out what these hills are called. And I'll put it in the description. But I don't know if this is or Stormella or both. Either way, nothing wrong with the subject. Video posted. Not how bad this isn't. So I just found out I'm not scared about it. Down again now. Oh yeah, and this smooth tank goes in my face. On Instagram. Thank you very much for your service. I'll have to cut. Right, I'm on top now, and as you can see, that's brilliant. I might try and get a picture down there. That might show just how rough it is, but I don't know. I'll see if I can set you down anywhere. You might blow over. Well, that was exciting. We're coming down now, so the wind's dropped a bit and it's still snowing, obviously, you can see it behind me. So it's still like blizzard conditions, but it's a lot less than what it was, shall we say. And we're just coming off the top now, but still can't find anything to photograph because the visibility is so poor. I thought there might be a lone tree or something up here, and normally you can see the village down the bottom there, but can't today. So I'm just going to turn this off now because I'm running out of battery power in this camera, and I'll turn it back on again when I actually find something to photograph. Bye for now. Look, if you can't have any fun, there's no point in taking pictures, is there? Especially when there's no pictures to take. And looking into a camera, trying to walk down a dirt track in the snow, not very easy. So, ooh. Look at your in the snow.